If you aren't ready to grow thicker, fuller, and healthy hair this 2024 with a dandruff-free scalp, do not use this stimulating, thickening hair growth elixir or hair growth spray. This strengthens the hair follicles, nourishes the scalp and hair strands, promotes healthy hair growth, and prevents dandruff-ridden scalp. It thickens the hair, prevents thinning, shedding, and breakage. It promotes full and thick edges over time. I'm not even kidding you. This spray that we're about to make is the bomb. I chose the best for the beginning of this year, so you can go on a challenge with this hairspray. I'm not even joking. If you're suffering from alopecia, nothing seems to work for you. If nothing seems to work for you and you want to grow thicker, fuller, and stronger hair this year, regrow bald spots, you need this extra potent alopecia hair growth tonic. I'm not even joking this year. This is 2024. Do not sleep on this hair tonic, guys. You have to watch this video to the end and to get all the instructions. Welcome to the channel. My name is DINMA. Happy New Year once again. And if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. And to begin, just pour about 500 ml worth of water into your pot and bring to a boil like so. Like you can see, just allow it to boil. That's what I mean. Our first ingredient is guava leaves. Some of you that have tried these guava leaves for your hair loss and other hair issues can attest to the fact that this is an amazing herb that people tend to neglect, yet it does wonders. Basically, guava stimulates hair growth. Guava leaves contains compound that promote blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating hair follicles and encouraging healthy hair growth, preventing hair loss. The antioxidants in guava leaves help reduce hair loss by combating oxidative stress and protecting the hair follicles from damage. Our second ingredient is rosemary leaves. It is because of the natural properties found in rosemary water that boost hair growth by inhibiting hormonal changes that lead to hair loss, improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, acts as an antioxidant, and decrease inflammation on the scalp. Just toss about 2 to 3 stalks of rosemary leaves in the boiling water and then stir to combine both leaves. Cover up your pot and allow this to boil together for 12 minutes. Once it's 12 minutes mark, turn off the heat and allow on your stove for an extra 12 hours. After 12 hours, this must have cooled down completely and is ready for sieving. You will notice that the leaves have changed color. You will notice the color change while boiling it for 12 minutes. So while you're boiling this for 12 minutes, the color will change. The leaves will change color from green to brown, so to say. So don't freak out about that. Just know that you're in line with what is happening. So I just said that you have to boil for 12 minutes and then allow to sit on your stove after turning off your stove for extra 12 hours. So after 12 hours, everything must have infused and cool down completely for you to sieve, to be able to handle the hot pot or hot whatever you use in boiling it. So after straining, I just use my strainer to strain. So the next thing that you will do is to transfer to your applicator bottle or your spray bottle. I'm using my spray bottle. If you don't have spray bottle, use whatever you have that has a nozzle that can spray liquids to your hair, basically. Then moving on, I added some essential oil to it. To my bottle. I'm using rosemary essential oil simply because I use rosemary for this. But if you have any other essential oil that is not rosemary, you can go ahead and use that, just to give it extra scent and extra boost to help with hair growth. So cover up and this is ready for use. Guys, do not sleep on this particular one. What I mean is that you should not joke with this particular one. This works like magic, especially the guava. The guava is an amazing one. Does magic on hair loss. If you have hair loss, I think you should brew these two and use. If you're suffering from excessive hair loss, you're suffering from postpartum hair loss, I think you should brew this and use immediately to stop hair loss. Guys, this stops hair loss in less than 2 weeks of consistent use. You're to apply this from your scalp to your tips every 2 to 3 times a week. Every week, apply 2 to 3 times a week. Do not forget to follow up with a leave-in conditioner. That is if you're leaving it in, but if you use it as a tea rinse, shampoo your hair, deep condition, and then apply this. Wait for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Then go ahead and moisturize, see your hair, and then style. So that's how to use this. Toddlers from 2 years upwards can use this. This is perfect for all hair types, whether your hair is 4C, 4B, 4A, 4Z, and what have you. You can use this. Whether you're low or high porosity, you can use this. If you're leaving it in, just like me, because I don't like to rinse off my hair teas, I love to leave them in my hair. You are to moisturize, use it to moisturize your hair. Just use it to dampen your hair and then follow up with leave-in conditioner. Apply your leave-in conditioner on top of it, then seal with hair growth oil. So for storage, you're to store this in your refrigerator for 5 days. After 5 days, this goes bad. Please discard and make a fresh one. In that 5 days, you must have used it like 2 or 3 times before you discard it. So if you don't want to keep it for short time, you want it to last longer, maybe you don't have time to be making it every 5 days, you can add preservatives to it. And the preservative that I suggest you add to it is guaryd ECT or Germa Plus. Just add it to it, shake it, and then keep it on your table or wherever that you know that is cool and dry place where nothing will affect it. Basically, please note that this will not stain your hair. It will retain your hair color. It will not do anything bad to your hair, so it will just keep your hair the way it is. And then if your hair is naturally black, it will maintain that black color without allowing it to maybe change color or to change from maybe color 1B to color 1A to 1B. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions for me, please drop it in the comment section below and I will definitely reply you. Remember to give us a thumbs up and I'll see you on my next one.